How to create passport size photo in Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. The first thing you have to do is to check for your country's passport size, and the next thing you want to do is to be on your Canva application. Now you are going to head over to the left hand side of your screen and click on create a design. Now go ahead and add your country's passport size here, and when you are done you want to tap on create new design. Now head over to the top left hand corner of your screen and click on file. Now you want to go to settings, then head over to show margins and tap on it. And then guys, we are going to still go back to files again. Now go to settings and then head over to show print bleed and tap on it. Now you would notice that there are lines on your pages. Now this is just to ensure that during printing and cutting out, nothing affects your passport. And the next step should be importing your image and then removing the background with the help of remove background feature on Canva. But if you are just like me that uses the free version and you cannot access that feature, then you should do this. Head over to this website that is called Remove BG, and then you're going to tap on upload image. Now go ahead and import the image you would like to use for this passport project. Now after this website removes the background, you want to tap on download. And then guys, you'll be heading over back to Canva, and now you're going to be going to upload, and then you're going to upload the document you just downloaded from Remove BG, and you just want to tap on it to bring it up to your page. Now we are going to head over to elements and tap on that. Now you are going to be tapping on square. Now just tap on a square shape to get that to my page. Now go to the top of your screen and click on border. Now on border weight, you want to change it to 0.5. That will be the new border weight. And then we'll be changing the color of this square. We'll be changing it to transparent. Now you're going to take up this transparent square, and then you're going to put it on one side of the print margin and make sure it gets to the other part. You're going to cover all through the print margin. Now click on the three dots on top of your screen, and then you're going to click on positioning, and then we'll be clicking on backwards because we'll be taking this transparent square backwards. Now the next thing to do is to highlight our image, and then guys, you're going to expand this image until it covers the whole page. Now while adjusting, you still want to make sure that the head and the neck is still on the print margin. Now you just want this passport more visible, but you still want it to be in the print margin. And if you have any excesses like this, you still want to crop them out. You want to crop it out until everything is inside the print margin. Now guys, you're going to head over to files again. Now go to settings, and then you are going to head over to print margin and tap on it to disable it. You do the same thing for print bleed to disable them. Now remember, we had a transparent square line underneath. Now we're going to change that from transparent into white. I'll be using white today because that is what I want my passport to have as a background. And then I went ahead to position my image very well. And guys, this is how easy it is to create passport size photo in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.